Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use trial reels in Instagram. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram on your smartphone. Then tap plus sign from bottom menu. Tap reels and select any video from your photo gallery. Tap next and edit your video. When you finished editing, before posting, scroll down little bit and you will see the new option trial. Turn on trial. Try out content with a new audience using trial reels. Show a trial reel to non-followers to get early feedback and whether your content resonates. You will see key insights within 24 hours after sharing so you can understand how your trial reel is performing. Trial reels doesn't appear on your profile. Some followers may still see your trial reels like when someone share it with them. Tap got it. Now tap share. After sharing, the trial reel will be visible on creator profile alongside draft. Only the creator can see that it is a trial, and it would not appear on the main grid or Reels tab unless shared with everyone or followers later. You can tap on trial reels. Trial reels need more time to get views. Tap got it. Tap your reel under trial reels. Then tap trial reel view insights. Trial reels take longer to start getting views because they would not show to followers. Tap more options. From here you can share to everyone anytime. So these are the steps to use trial reels on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.